Join me on the challenge of getting rich by 30 using these 4 proven strategies. Let's see if we can actually make it happen. Getting rich by 30, it sounds like a pipe dream, right? But what if I told you that it's possible? And I'm not just talking about becoming financially independent, I'm talking about living a life of true wealth and freedom. The best part, it's not some get-rich-quick scheme. These are 4 proven strategies that have been used by countless individuals to build wealth and achieve their financial goals. The question is, are you ready to put in the work and make it happen? Because let's be real, getting rich by 30 isn't going to be easy. It's going to take dedication, discipline, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But if you're willing to put in the effort, I'm willing to show you the strategies that can help you get there. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances and start building the wealth you deserve, then keep watching, because today we're going to dive into the 4 proven strategies that can help you get rich by 30. So many young people struggle to achieve financial independence, and it's not because they're not trying hard enough. The truth is, the odds are stacked against us. From student loans to credit card debt, it's easy to get caught up in a cycle of debt that seems impossible to escape. And on top of that, the cost of living just keeps going up, making it harder and harder to save and invest. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are people out there who have managed to overcome these obstacles and achieve financial independence at a young age. So what's their secret? Is it luck, or is it something more? One of the biggest challenges is just getting started. When you're in your 20s, it's easy to think that you've got plenty of time to worry about your finances later. But the truth is, the earlier you start, the better. Compound interest is a powerful force, and the sooner you start taking advantage of it, the more wealth you'll be able to build over time. Another challenge is just staying disciplined and motivated. Let's face it, building wealth isn't rocket science, it's simple math. But it's not easy. It takes sacrifice and dedication, and it's easy to get discouraged when you're not seeing the results you want. So how do you stay motivated and keep pushing forward, even when it feels like you're not making progress? And then there's the fear of taking risks. Building wealth often requires taking calculated risks, whether it's investing in the stock market or starting your own business. But what if you fail? What if you lose everything? It's natural to feel scared, but the truth is the biggest risk is often not taking any risks at all. So how do you overcome these challenges and start building wealth at a young age? The first strategy is to invest in the stock market. Now, I know what you're thinking. The stock market can be scary, it's volatile, and it's easy to lose money. But the truth is, the stock market has historically provided higher returns over the long term than any other investment. And with the rise of index funds and ETFs, it's easier than ever to get started. Take someone like Warren Buffett, for example. He started investing in the stock market when he was just 11 years old, and today he's one of the richest people in the world. Of course, not all of us are going to be as successful as Warren Buffett, but the point is, investing in the stock market can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. The second strategy is to start your own business. This one can be tough because it requires a lot of hard work and dedication. But the truth is, starting your own business can be a fast track to financial independence. Take someone like Mark Zuckerberg, for example. He started Facebook when he was just 19 years old, and today it's one of the most valuable companies in the world. The third strategy is to invest in real estate. This one can be a bit more complex because it requires a significant amount of capital up front. But the truth is, real estate can provide a steady stream of income and appreciate in value over time. Take someone like Grant Cardone, for example. He's a real estate mogul who has built a vast portfolio of properties over the years. The fourth strategy is to create and sell your own products or services online. This one is becoming more and more popular because it allows you to reach a global audience and scale your business quickly. Take someone like Gary Vaynerchuk, for example. He's a social media mogul who has built a multi-million-dollar business by creating and selling his own products and services online. So, which of these strategies is the most impactful? In my opinion, it's got to be starting your own business. There's just something about being your own boss and creating something from scratch that can be incredibly fulfilling. And the best part, the potential for growth is virtually unlimited. I remember when I first started my own business, it was tough. There were times when I doubted myself and wondered if I had made a mistake. But the truth is, starting my own business was the best decision I ever made. It's allowed me to achieve financial independence and live a life of true wealth and freedom. So, what's holding you back from taking action? Is it fear, or is it something else? Whatever it is, I want you to know that you have the power to overcome it. You have the power to take control of your finances and start building the wealth you deserve. So, let's recap the 4 strategies we talked about today. We've got investing in the stock market, starting your own business, investing in real estate, and creating and selling your own products or services online. These are 4 proven strategies that can help you get rich by 30. So what's next? I want to hear from you. Which of these strategies resonates with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more future content.